Literally?
Yeah. Yeah. So this is what we're in Mexico, Ensenada, Mexico, on our cruise ship. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. And if you, here's a 360 view of where we are right now. We are at the sand dunes in Ensenada, Mexico. That was pretty slow there, huh? Or fast, I mean. Here comes the boys. There they go. Whoop. And way over there is our cruise ship. See if we can see it. It's right to the left of that flag, the Mexican flag, if you can see that far there. Might be all blurry.
We like that song, Mommy.
What does it say? Girls just wanna have fun. And there's the ocean. Here comes my boy. Here he comes. And now let's see ya. Hi, Tim.
Hi.
You having fun?
Yeah.
There goes Dad. There he is. Woo-wee! All right. Thumbs up, man. Thumbs up, dude.
No, it's a thing, dude.
Bye.
Wants to ride. Huh?
Bye.
So I'm gonna drive through a little bit.
Oh, here, I'll drive.
Hey, huh? Can we drive over
I'll drive here.
Let me take her around one lap.
Okay.
Then you can have it. Huh? You can't go out there. The police won't come back, dude. No. No, I'm gonna drive it this time around. Yeah, reverse sucks in these things, man.